Hey guys, so quick video on how you can connect your Sony soundbar to LG Smart TV. So someone wrote here, I had a Sony S2000, the LG TV, and had no issues with the eARC connection, worked well. So what you're just gonna do, you're gonna take the Sony soundbar to HDMI, and what you're gonna do is this, right? So look at that. So you're gonna have the let me show you. It's something like this. You're gonna have the Sony soundbar HDMI from it, and then you're gonna connect it to the LG Smart TV eARC, and you got it. And then all you have to do is just look on how to like properly, if you have to do something in the settings, but this is how just you're gonna do it. So to connect it, you're just gonna connect it with the HDMI, and maybe you just have to change the output in the audio settings. And look at here. So you're gonna go to settings, then sound out, and there you can like look, and you could use a wired speaker, let's say, and there you're gonna have like, when you're gonna choose the wired speaker, and there you're gonna find an HDMI ARC device, and you're gonna choose that and try it out. Maybe it's going to help, and this is what you want to do.